know myself. Oh dear. So morning, welcome to another PTP fishing back at Lake Kurwongbah. Definite plan of attack today, so no fishing early. Just going to paddle as far up the lake as I possibly can. Go to the areas where we caught fish last time. I'm here with Nicholas, but he's had a little sleep in, so just waiting for him to catch up a little bit. But yeah, so plan all the way at the top of the lake. Hopefully find those fish that we found last time. There was meant to be no wind. Wind forecast very wrong. Anyway, let's see how we go. Yay! Oh, still got him? Or has he come off? No, he's still there. Far out. Wow. All that for that. Rightio, so that's what they call a spangled perch. And he's not much bigger than my spinnerbait, but he's whacked it. If these things grew a little bigger, they'd be great fun to catch. Anyway, we'll unhook him and let him go. That's the first bite of the day. Yeah. That couldn't be any more at the kayak. Far out. Nice fish too. Very nice. So there's fish number one. Have a look at that. I'll show you that. He's got half his gill case missing, that guy. Obviously hasn't affected him. Hopefully the footage shows it, but yeah, that guy hit it 5 or 6 times before he actually hooked up. But nice fish. I guess if you're going to get one, may as well get a good one, isn't it? I seem to say that an awful lot. Anyway, let's get some more. So nice fish. As you can see, that gill case is missing, but he'd be happy to go. 38 centimetres he was, so away he goes. Yeah, I know, I can feel it. Oh, there's a fish. Oh, another good fish. Wow. Holy dooly, that's a good one. So there you go. Bit long and skinny, but solid fish. That'd have to be 40 centimetres or more. So Obsession spinnerbait in the goat colour. So I've changed colours 3 times this morning. Just trying to find what they like. Can't say that I've really found what they like yet, but that's a couple of fish in quick succession. So definitely a long skinny fish. 44.5 centimetres, so stoked with that. A couple of nice fish that I've caught. Haven't caught many. This one's definitely a quality one for Kurwongbah, so we'll just let him go. Away he goes. Let's go get another one. Oh, there's a fish. Oh. He's dragging my kayak in there. I don't really want to go in there. It's really weird. They're all the fish I've caught today so far have done exactly this. Towing me circles. Oh dear. Another solid one. Got to say, haven't caught many, but the average size is good. So, haven't caught a huge amount of fish today, but the quality of them has been fantastic. So, I think I've averaged about, you know, sort of high 30s, 37, 38 for most of these fish. So this one's 37.5. Nice little fish. Just got a tag at him. We'll let him go. Let's see if there's another one in that corner. Yeah. Ooh. Yes. Oh. Wow. Hanging deep, this guy. Oh. Not only is it nice to be out of the wind, it's nice to catch another fish. Nice fish. Come in this net. Thank you very much. Hey. Oh, it's always nice when your plan comes together. Oh, there we go, golden perch. Nice golden perch too. Really nice fish. Come here, buddy. Just pop in there for me. Come on. Yeah! Woohoo! There's a little Mr. Yellow Belly. Got a bit of a white face on one side, actually, both sides. Just give him a little swim. He was well and truly hooked with that stinger hook underneath his chin, so just let him revive a little bit. But nice little surprise. Don't catch a lot of yellows here at Kurwongbah. So there's that golden. Swum him a few times, popped a tag in him. 4.30. Very happy with that. Oh. Away he goes. Yes. I wasn't going to stop here. And I thought, it's a little bit protected from the wind. Got a fish. Nice. Oh. 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 Good fish too. Come on, come to the net. Thank you. There you go. Goat colour does it again. So there's that last fish. Just over 36.5 centimetres tip. Nice way to finish, I think, again. Always nice to finish on a good note. So thanks for watching. Lake Kurwongbah. Didn't really turn it on today, I have to say. Fishing's been a little bit tough, but the wind's mostly 5 times as strong as they predicted. But anyway, a few fish is better than no fish. Obsession spinnerbaits did the job again. We tried a whole heap of other things, but they just came through. So I think Nicholas got about 4 or 5 fish on the donk colour, and I got mine on the goat. So there he is, 36.5 centimetres, tagged, let go. Thanks for watching PTP Fishing. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you again soon. See ya. Oh. He just took the lock. I guarantee you that was my Saratoga. Hitting off.